Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Shopify for beginners, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Shopify, first visit the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address and create a password. Fill in your store name, which will be your unique online identity. After signing up, you'll be directed to the Shopify dashboard. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, click on Settings at the bottom left corner. In the Settings menu, choose General to input your business information. Make sure to fill in details like your address and contact information. Now, let's add products to your store. From the dashboard, click on Products in the left sidebar. Then select Add Product to start creating a new product listing. Upload high-quality images of your product. Fill in the product title, description, and pricing details. Once you've added all the product details, click Save. Next, it's time to customize. In the dashboard, go to Online Store and then choose Themes. Browse through the available themes and select one that fits your brand. Click Customize to modify the layout, colors, and fonts as needed. You can preview your changes in real time. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Save. Now, let's set up payment options for your online store. In the Settings menu, select Payments. Choose your preferred payment gateways, such as PayPal, Shopify Payments, or others. Follow the prompts to set up and connect your accounts. Next, we'll configure your shipping settings. Go back to the settings and click on Shipping and Delivery. Set your shipping rates based on weight, price, or location. Make sure to save your changes. Now, it's time to launch your store. Go to the top right corner of the dashboard and click on the Remove Password option. Follow the steps to make your store live to the public. Finally, promote your store using social media and other marketing strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.